Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to add reviews to a Shopify store. So let's dive right in. To add a review, log into your admin dashboard and click on the Add Apps button from the left sidebar. Then click on the Shopify App Store button. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Here in the search bar, type Product Reviews. From the search results, you will find many apps that you can install for adding reviews to your Shopify store. To install an app, simply select the app and then click on the Install button. Click on the Install button again. This will install the app on your Shopify store. Now, to enable this app, click on the Enable App Embed button. Then, simply click on the Save button in the top right corner. To add the reviews, click on the Add Reviews button from the left sidebar. Then, click on the Select Your Product option. Now choose the product you wish to add the review to. Once the product is selected, enter the review name, the review title, and write a description about the review. You can choose the review status to approve or pending. Then, select the stars that you want to add as a review. Finally, click on the Save button. To see the preview, hover over to the Online Store option from the left sidebar. Click on the I button. Now, visit your store. Here, you can see the review that we have added, and there you have it. With this method, you can add reviews to your products and store on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.